Hello, my name is Peter Magpayo, and I'm a scanning specialist with Kevin Root Medical. The purpose of this video is to go through how to use the new Foot ID feature of our Foot ID app. Foot ID was developed to utilize the latest in mobile device technology to obtain a highly accurate 3D scan of a patient's foot for doctors and clinicians. Ease of use for doctors and clinicians was also taken into consideration in the development of Foot ID. The new Foot ID feature is an example of this mindset and is a key component of the Foot ID app. The new Foot ID feature is the most convenient way to add a new patient into Foot ID. From the Foot ID home screen, when you select the new Foot ID icon, it will take you to the new patient information screen where the app will prompt you to enter the new patient's basic information. Once you enter the new patient's first name, last name, and date of birth, you'll have the following options available. You'll be able to add a scan, add a form, add a photo, add a video, or just add patient. For this example, we'll just select Add Patient. After you select Add Patient, Foot ID will then take you to the patient information screen and you'll see the new patient's name at the top. You have now successfully added your new patient. You can now select Go Back and Foot ID will return you to the home screen. Thank you for watching. Take care.